Africa and tell me how you're doing today. My name is BK, the president. Yama 2K. Ukarike ngale mina namhlanje. Ground Up Sports Promotion and Events. Yan Smart Stadium. Ulapho sikhoyo. Next to me, I have the legend. Black Messiah, uProloid, uGqirha Loyiso Mtya. Proloid, masibulise sikwamukele kwi-Sports Edition data. It's a pleasure for us okokuba sibe sinawe ngale mina namhlanje 23rd of May 2026 imbali leyo kuthi nakwi-channel yethu. Masibulise tata kunjani?
Ndiyabulisa man, ndiyabulela, ndiyaphila. The pleasure is mine.
Legend, kuhle ukunibona okokuba nisaphila nisengabantu abazihambelayo. Injani i-retirement?
It's good, it's bad. It's good in that you're relaxing, but it's bad in that you go to sleep, you have no plans for tomorrow, that it makes it easier to die because you've got no plans tomorrow. So you've got to be creative, to do something so that you can be active all the time. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Enjoying myself. The best way I can. Yeah.
Proloid, namhlanje silapha ebaleni. Kodwa phamba singene kule event yanamhlanje. Ezimbalini zeboxing yaseMonti yakugombo. Besiqala okanye siyaqala ukuba ne-WBC esuka eMdantsane, esuka kwa-NU8 kwimbali yamanqindi yeliphondo, kwimbali yamanqindi yoMzantsi Afrika ngowesine ukuphumelela le-Green Belt. Usiyakholwa kuse. Any words that you have ngayo yonke le achievement ethe yenzeka phambi kwamehlo wethu nani nisaphila?
Usiyakholwa kuse is a refreshment. Usiyakholwa kuse is a motivation for our youngsters to prove that no matter nobe khe kanjani ngaphambili uyakwazi ba kuyajikeka if you make up your mind that now you are going to do it, and it goes a long way to prove that talent apha ikhona. All that it needs yoba itwe nurture, itwe manage, i-reproduce ukwenzela izoproducer enye nayo. There is no question about the fact that we are the best talent in South African boxing. There is no other province like us in this country. Give me one province that produces as many champions, as many boxing prospects, as many boxing teachers, as many boxing administrators like us. When it comes to boxing, we are the best. Forget the fact that we don't have a backup. We don't have anything to point that there's our museum, there's our boxing arena. They are our boxing pictures. Anything, we have nothing. And now, that one is something that has got to be discussed deep and politically, because it needs to be discussed politically to actually say, guys, why Kunje? Is this a good example? Yoguti, going forward, the generation says this are akonto zayibona zizawufa nje because those farmers besiyabona, yet kwezi provinces who are far less than us, who cannot toe our shoelaces, they are doing better in terms of what they have. So we have an assignment, we have a homework to make, but asilahli themba.
Proloid, sibuyisa kwinsuku zakudala i-Ground Up Sports Promotion and Event isibuyisele ebaleni. I'm sure you have memories that you can share nathi xa kulwelwa ebaleni. Nawe ngeke nazibona ezinye i-bouts zakho uke walwa ebaleni. Quickly nje xa ubona usuku la namhlanje lokuthatha lokubeke phi?
Ngibuyisele emva. Ngibuyisele emva ngenxaba di-product yebala.
Yeah.
Di-product yaseSisathukatshe Stadium. My first fights endidluleyo eSisathukatshe Stadium. I think 17 of my fights ndidlule eSisathukatshe Stadium. Then ezinye ndidlule kwezinye indawo, and winning my South African title, being the 4th boxer here to win a South African title, ndiwin eSisathukatshe Stadium. Now here comes Ground Up. Isibuyisela kuloo nto, and iza with a power punch event, because the event engazange yenzeka ngaphambili kwangezo mini zeSisathukatshe Stadium, where you put everything, uyenze ibe mix, uyenze ibe lapha, because this thing is not all about boxing today. It's just that boxing is the icing on the cake. But if you look at everything that's here, it's our sports and culture
Yeah.
put here together for people to enjoy. And I say, thank God for Grounds Up. And in that case, the Grounds Up inganikwa amandla to go forward and do much more.
The last message that you have to the boxers, current and the upcoming, and the legends as well.
All I can say to them is that keep up the good work, get your discipline intact, make up your minds that this is what you are going to do, and when you make up your mind, this is what you must do, because the boxing here has the future. It runs in our blood, it runs in our veins. We can make decisions, fast decisions that other provinces, boxers from other provinces cannot make, simply because we are born into this thing. All I can say is that let's keep our discipline. Let's focus. Let's look far ahead. Let us make sure that we are going to work and work hard for what we want to gain. And if we do that, there will be no failures.
Well, that's well said by Dr. Loyiso Mtya, former SA champion ngokwakhe. I-history elapha, we need it as uMzansi Afrika, we need it as abantu abasakhulayo. Legend, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will always salute you, we will always appreciate you.
That do not have
From the Sports Edition, that was Praloy Mtya.